well to ends well. People outside wandering lawn and shit, you know. Birds are chirping, dogs are barking. It's beautiful. That might be your hood, but this is mine.
My hood, nigga.
The red dogs tripping and these niggas still snitching. The old lady across the street still bitching. It's 3 in the morning, take your old ass to sleep. Third time she don't call the police this week. Looking at my Frank Mueller, it's about that time. The folks just left, so I'm on my grind. Say he want a 250, guess he need that 9. I want that bread, but I don't need that time. Charge it fresh out the shop with the suicide doors. You swear it died and came back alive. With 22 inches all under the frame. Keep a pocket full of bread. Y'all niggas know the name. What's up? Jesus like to drink, Jesus like to smoke, Jesus like to mix arm and hammer with his coat. Jesus at the trap, Jesus like to grind, Jesus by the people, Jesus like to shine, Jesus like to drink, Jesus like to smoke, Jesus like to mix arm and hammer with his coat. Jesus at the trap, Jesus like to grind, Jesus by the paper, Jesus like to shine. Yeah, I sold them squares, yeah, I cooked them most. Guilty as charged, yeah, I rocked them shows. I can't even lie, yeah, I fucked them hoes. Trap all day and spit it all on clothes. Chop all day until the mall is closed. Then I'm back to the trap to get my pockets swole. Fruitopia, smoked blueberry. Mix it with the perk, we call it cranberry. The Bin Laden clips, yeah, it came with the choppers. You got a slick mouth, I hope it came with a doctor. The boy stacked cheese like it came with the Whopper. Stay fly like it came in a chopper. What's up? Jesus like to drink, Jesus like to smoke, Jesus like to mix arm and hammer with his coat. Jesus at the trap, Jesus like to grind, Jesus about his people, Jesus like to shine, Jesus like to drink, Jesus like to smoke, Jesus like to mix arm and hammer with his coat. Jesus at the trap, Jesus like to grind, Jesus about his people, Jesus like to shine. What's up? Ain't shit shaking but the leaves in the trees. Between me and you, I got a deal on the keys. 6-month run, made a meal on the trees. Different broad every night, keep a plug on the white. Mr. 17.5, you niggas know the name. Why y'all playing? Y'all know it ain't a game. This